International Nurses Day is celebrated every year on May 12th. The day commemorates the birth of statistician, nurse and social reformer Florence Nightingale. The event itself was established in 1974. The International Council of Nurses, a federation comprised of more than 130 national nursing associations who all represent over 20 million nurses worldwide, has established its 2021 focus for International Nurses Day in highlighting the future of nursing and innovation. The International Council of Nurses commemorates this important day each year with the production and distribution of the International Nurses Day resources and evidence. The theme for the 2021 resource is Nurses, a Voice to Lead, and the sub-theme for 2021 is A Vision for Future Healthcare. So in 2021, the theme, or you can say the aim, is to show how nursing will look into the future as well as how the profession will transform the next stage of healthcare. The ICN president said, "This global COVID-19 pandemic has shown the world the important role that nurses play in keeping people healthy across the lifespan. While there has been significant disruption to healthcare, there has also been significant innovation that has improved access to care. So in 2021, we will focus on the changes to and innovations in nursing and how this will ultimately shape the future of healthcare." So the IND 2021 theme reflects on the impact of COVID-19 on the health system and the nursing profession and how these might be affected in the future. Nurses, as the largest healthcare profession, must play an integral part in planning the future of healthcare. So every year, ICN produces a range of resources to inform the public and support nurses. So this includes a report, case studies, posters, videos, interviews, and social media banners and logos. So this year too, ICN is calling on nurses to share their stories in the form of a case study so that it could be a part of IND 2021. Nurse innovation in the face of an unprecedented global health crisis will be the focus of International Nurses Day 2021. The International Council of Nurses is searching for nurses across the world who are taking the lead on service redesign or new ways of working to act as case studies for their campaign. Alongside the encouragement of a fully deserved congratulations ode to nurses, the organization also produces an International Nurses Day kit to educate and assist health workers around the world with a different theme each year. So past publications have focused on working with the poor, fighting AIDS, equal access to care, and sustainable development. So, as we celebrate International Nurses Day on May 12th, let us highlight, understand, and appreciate the role of nurses, their achievements, and all they do for the healthcare industry.